you still keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Just know.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Morning, Philippines.
morning light is shining through. In the kitchen, a brand new view. The aroma of coffee fills the air. With every sip, I feel the care. Let's start the day. The smile is so wide. With the warmth of the sun and joy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go. With morning light and coffee glow.
Right, vamos.
Dishes are waking the floor.
Hey guys, good morning. It's my breakfast today here in Hotel. We're here in Mento.
Chopping and stirring, the rhythm is sweet. In this cozy kitchen, life feels complete. Let's start the day.
Thank you.
The smile is so wide. With the warmth of the sun and joy inside.
Wow.
Housework awaits, but I'm ready.
Good morning. I'm here in Starbucks. I'm gonna get some Americano iced coffee here. Taguig. So, punta ka ng Green Hills and Chinatown Toronto. See you guys. Alright. Ganda dito.
enjoy inside.
Maraming tao dito.
Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go.
We're in Chinatown.
Morning light and coffee glow.
Guys, we're in
Let's
Chinatown.
start the day with a smile so wide, with the warmth of the sun and joy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go, with morning light and coffee glow.
What's up? This is my favorite hopya. Oh, daming tao. Grabe. Ibitin. Oh, sorry. Ube lang ka. Kami. Sarap naman yan.
Yes
Hello. Saan bilili yan? Saan bilili yan? Then there's ano, Taiwan fried foods. Makabili yan. Sige, sige, thank you.
Pwede na yan.
Oh, I try ko itong egg baboy waffle. Kaya ito Hong Kong? Hong Kong ba ito? So wala kang bariya. Sana. Sige, try ko ito Hong Kong baboy. Sugar cane.
Wala ka tayong mapili muna. We're gonna eat this first.
Ano pangalan niyo? Pangalan niyo?
Shoppers po.
Supper Sport. Supper Sport, alright.
Shoppers Smart.
From Hong Kong, TSB. So, try ko itong ano.
Yung juice. Initiga. Dalawa po sir.
Oh, wow, yummy. So, try ko kainin itong ano, sarap na to. Medyo mainit pa kaya hindi ko na kainin. Mainit, so hot. Hot. Ah, pinapila.
Siyete, pampatibay na relasyon ah. Sa kanya na lang kayo mait. Wala na. Lalaki.
Sabi dito, food. Oh.
Atas kuya, isa.
Ito ng mga papaswerte. Bili tayo mga papaswerte dito.
Combo 100, apat.
Combo 100? Oh.
Ito malaki, 100 lang.
Gano?
100 lang.
100 dyan?
Yan, yung mga gold, kulay gold, any design. Apat, isang daan. You can choose.
Yung
any
mga
design.
bracelet to, mga bracelet.
Meron, dito, sa loob.
Papaswerte, iputahan.
Pasok lang kayo.
Oo.
Kita lang
Ito
bracelet.
tayo ngayon. Let's go. Ay, kabla po.
So, magalo.
Fruit Milky. Fruit Milky. Hello. Ito ba yung Televice? Ito yung Mopi? Ito yun? Oh, wow.
Pero mochi lang ata.
Saan yung bibili? Saan bibili?
Hindi at Dakota.
Ah.
Yan may king.
Oh, okay. Ito pala. Smoky.
Po, amin.
Smoky flavors. Magkano nga yan?
May 100, may 120,
100.
may 90 po. Dito nga yun.
Mango, matcha mango. Hindi sila magkasundo na yan.
Yan ang short eh.
Tanggal na, palis na.
Yes, Nano Park. Thank you. Nano Park. You know, we're gonna try this one. Alright, guys. The mangosteen, we got different fruits. Dragon fruit. Huh? We're gonna try this one, dim sum here, Chinatown, along Alonso Street. Alonso Street. So, the Chinese food house, dim sum, food. Yeah. Okay, tingnan natin. Yes. Kalamansi.
Ang sarap ng sabaw nila.
May sauce. Hello guys, we're in Chinatown. Ito yung mga new friends ko. Teresa, and Dana and
Christine po.
Christine. Hello guys. Alright. Yeah. See you sa next vlog ko ha. Alright, thank you. Please like and subscribe. Hello. It's my birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Thank you.
Birthday ko yan.
Thank you.
Birthday is to
Talagang yung mga pagkain, boss. Ginawa
And yun, no, Fish and Ali. Wow.
Umuusok yan pag
Oh, yan nga yun. Nakita ko sana sa YouTube eh.
Mm.
Santorini. Oh,
Umuusok talaga
UST.
yan paggabi.
UST. Pamangkit ko nga ano na.
Ayan yung baha, oh. Yung baha, yung tubig, yung may kulay.
Ah, dito yung baha?
Ang ganda yung baha, boss.
Wow.
Ng Espanya. Ayun
Espanya.
yung este, oh. Ayun yung dito. Maganda yung gate dyan.
Yeah, nakapunta na ako sa Europe.
Few moments later.
Get this one. I'm gonna get some haircut and shampoo. Clean, yes.
So nga sa Philippines, nagpa-vlog ka.
Oh, yes. Sa spa, no?
Birthday mo kasi rin.
Yan. Ang ganda. Goodness, goodness.
Yes, ma. Bossy, dami mo na t-shirt.
Good. Thank you. Goodness. Yes. Goodness. Alright, pancit.
Eh, sabi ko puta.
Mayroon mo na ito. Driver ako. Masaya rin ako ulit. Hindi naman ayaw ng gano'n. Ano ba? Babae? Bakit?